Good evening, children. 7th Standard English. Children, in today's class, we are going to revise letter writing. Take a composition note. Exercise number 2, letter writing. Write a letter to your friends describing the joy of celebrating festival. So, this is an informal letter. You have to write Puducherry. You have to write the date. Then, dear, your friend name. Hope you celebrated the Pongal festival with great joy. I went to my village for the festival holidays this time. I accompanied my grandparents to the temple fair. We watched Garagatam and Bommalatam. I enjoyed the pleasure of rural life. It was full of fun. Next time I shall take you with me to our village. I am sure you will enjoy the visit. Yours lovingly. You have to write your name. Then you have to write the address on the envelope. You have to write two address, your friend name and your friend's address. So children, this is very important. You have to revise this letter writing. Next we will revise prose comprehension. Read the following passage and answer the questions. Now I will read the passage. Listen to me. Alexander, the great conqueror of the world, died of a mysterious fever on his way back to his country. The soldiers wrapped his body with costly garments and ornaments. A coffin was ready to take the body to interment. His men put him into the grave and covered it with sand. The great conqueror, who had never taken rest until he could capture many parts of the world, was laid to the rest. The man who launched expedition to claim the sand of the whole world was put into the sand of the earth. Now we will see the questions. How did Alexander meet his end? Answer. Alexander died of a mysterious fever. Second question. Why is he called the great conqueror of the world? Answer. He was the great conqueror of the world because he captured many parts of the world. Number 3. Who finally won the battle? The king or sand? The answer is the sand won the battle. Number 4. What was Alexander's ambition? Answer. Alexander's ambition is to capture many parts of the world. Next question. What does the term interment means? It means burial. Children, next we will revise the memory poem. That is Unit 2 Poetry, The Listeners. Is there anybody there? Said the traveller, knocking on the moonlit door, and his horse in the silence champed grasses off the forest ferny floor, and a bird flew up out of the turret above the traveller's head. And he smote upon the door again a second time. Is there anybody there? He said. By Walter de la Mare. So children, you have to revise the poem thoroughly. You have to be thorough in first 7 lines. And also you have to learn the spellings. So what is the spelling for listeners? Listeners. And the word anybody. Anybody. And the spelling for traveller. Traveller. And the word knocking. K-N-O-C-K-I-N-G. Moonlit, M-O-O-N-L-I-T. Silence, S-I-L-E-N-C-E. And the word champed, C-H-A-M-P-E-D. And the word grasses, G-R-A-S-E-S. And ferny, F-E-R-N-Y, ferny. And then the word turret, T-U-R-R-E-T, turret. And the word smote, S-M-O-T-E. So children, you have to learn the spellings thoroughly, and also wherever you have to put question mark, comma, you have to do it properly in your exam. Next we will learn the mind map. It is given in your classwork note. Unit 1, supplementary. Tom found Monday morning dash. The answer is miserable. He wished to stay home from dash, school. First he thought of stomachache, but it grew feeble. The answer is grew feeble. Next one, then he pretended to have a dash. The answer is toothache. Last one, at last he saw his dash. The answer is sore toe. So children, we will stop with this. Next class we will revise the portions and pattern. According to that, we will revise for your quarterly examination. And also for your today's assignment, you are going to learn the letter writing. First we will revise the letter writing. You learn that thoroughly and write a test in your rough note and get corrected from your parents. Thank you children.